Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are revealing the ultimate secret to shedding those stubborn pounds and feeling incredible, our pineapple detox weight loss juice recipe. This isn't just another fad diet or a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change that's about to transform your world. And the best part, it's an all-natural, delicious way to cleanse your body, boost your metabolism, and shed those unwanted pounds. So, what makes this juice so amazing? Let's dive into the goodness we're about to blend up. First up, we've got juicy pineapple. This delicious fruit is packed with water, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. But that's not all. Oh no, the pineapple is a veritable treasure trove of health benefits. It's a champion in the weight loss arena, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties that work tirelessly to strip away excess body fat. Moving on, we have the humble cucumber. It might not look like much, but don't be fooled. This crisp and refreshing veggie is a detox powerhouse. It works its magic by cleansing your body and ensuring your digestive system is running like a well-oiled machine. The bonus? It's a secret weapon for radiant, clear skin. Who knew? Next, let's turn our attention to the mighty ginger. This small but mighty root packs a punch that's impossible to ignore. It's a metabolic fire starter, igniting your body's calorie-burning furnace. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger is also a digestive aid, helping your body break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. It's crucial for torching fat and maintaining a healthy body equilibrium. Now, let's not forget about the pineapple skins. You might be tempted to throw them away, but hold on just a second. These often overlooked parts of the pineapple hold their own secret weapon. When simmered in water, they transform into a delightful pineapple tea. Not only is it a taste sensation, but it's also a fantastic aid for digestion and a potent weapon against inflammation. And here's a bonus tip. Don't toss those pineapple skins. Simmer them in water for a pineapple tea that's not only delicious, but also great for digestion and fighting inflammation. Now, when's the best time to enjoy this magical elixir? Timing is key to maximize the benefits of this juice. Sipping it in the morning kickstarts your day with a revitalizing burst of energy and detoxifies your system, setting the tone for a healthful day. Alternatively, having it in the evening helps to unwind and aids in digestion after a hearty dinner. So, whether you're an early bird or a night owl, this juice fits seamlessly into your routine. The choice is yours. So, are you ready to join us on this incredible journey? We've revealed our secret recipe, a delicious blend of health and flavor, and now it's your turn to give it a shot. Remember, the journey to optimal health is not a sprint, but a marathon. Small, consistent changes in our daily habits can create incredible results over time. As you embark on this journey, we'd love to hear about your progress. Share your experiences with us. Did you enjoy the taste? How did you feel after consuming the juice? Your stories inspire us and our community. If you found this video helpful, show your love by sharing it with your friends and family. They might be looking for this secret recipe too. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our family and never miss out on health tips, recipes, and more. Until next time, stay fabulous.